What's up, everybody? So yesterday I took a trade on Nasdaq. I shared it in one of my WhatsApp groups. I will show you the screenshot and then I will explain it in detail. You guys can see this was the call. Now in this lecture I will explain in detail how I made this call, and believe me, this is the best way to learn trading, by learning from others' experience, how others track their trades. Okay, so let's start the lecture now. The first thing in this strategy that you need is consolidation in Asian session. Okay, Asian kill zone. Now where is Asian kill zone? The Asian kill zone starts from 8 p.m. New York time. Okay, it starts from the 8 p.m. New York time and it ranges to 12 a.m. New York time. Okay, this is your 12 a.m. So in this strategy you got to have consolidation in the Asian session, as you can see here. Okay, the price is moving up and down in this small area. So we got our first thing, which is the consolidation, and you have to mark the high and the low of this Asian session. Okay, now the next kill zone is the London kill zone, and it starts from 2 a.m. New York time. Okay, so this is our 2 a.m. okay, and it started from here and it ranges till 5 a.m. okay. Now in this strategy, once the high or the low of the Asian session is swept, we get a move which is called the Judas swing or a fake move. I usually don't trade this move because I need some confirmation. So this was the sweep of the Asian highs. Okay, let me mark it. Okay, this high swept the Asian high. Okay, and then you will expect a fake move which is called the Judas move, and it will sweep the Asian lows and it will go deep. Okay, deep down. It can go deep down or up. In this case it swept the high, so the Judas move had to be towards the downside. Now we got our Asian consolidation, sweep of the Asian high, and then we got this Judas move or fake move. Now the next thing is the real move, but where will you get this move? Okay, so you have to wait for certain fair value gaps to be violated. Okay, like there will be some bearish fair value gaps and that will be violated and it will become bullish, and that's where you have to get your entry. So this is the 5-minute chart, and you guys can see that it is moving down. Okay, there are fair value gaps, the price is moving up into this and then going down again. There is a fair value gap and there was another fair value gap here. So here you can see I will mark this fair value gap. Okay, and you can see that the price went above it. Okay, and closed above this fair value gap. You can see the price came down and then it went above. So I shared the entry here. I told my friends to long at this point. Okay, and my stop loss was at 16267, as you saw in that screenshot, and I targeted the Asian session highs. Okay, and you can see the price came down into that fair value gap. Okay, and it pumped. So this is called ICT Judas swing strategy. In this strategy you get a fake move. Okay, first in the London session, and then when you get these fair value gaps, these violated fair value gaps, this is where you will get entry and it will pump. Another reason for the entry was a breaker block on the weekly. Let me show you. So here you guys can see that on weekly there was an order block, but it got violated, so it became the weekly breaker block. Okay, and the price usually pumps from here. So when that Judas swing or that fake move happened, the price came down into this breaker block. Okay, and then we got a bullish structure on the 5-minute. So that was the main reason I longed and I took my profits at Asian highs. I hope this is useful and I hope this helps. Thank you.